Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Loom account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Outlook calendar to your Loom account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Outlook calendar to your Loom account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running meetings through your Outlook, you can connect your Outlook calendar to Loom, so that way you can listen in and summarize the meeting, and then even send out notification after the meeting. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Loom account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Loom account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Microsoft Outlook calendar, here on the left side, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu, and you want to click here on personal. Once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options here at the top, and you want to click on this one right here, meeting recordings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see the Microsoft Outlook calendar logo and click on the connect button next to it. Okay, next, Microsoft's going to open up a browser letting you know that Loom is trying to connect with your Microsoft Outlook calendar. If you're okay with that, click on this blue accept button. Okay, next you're going to set up the settings for Loom inside your Microsoft calendar. So first you want to choose which meetings are going to be recorded automatically. You can do all meetings, internal meetings, or you can do what I do and do manually selected meetings. Next, who's going to receive the meeting recap? So you can choose any one of these. Usually I'll just choose just me, and then you want to click on finish setup. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes back into my Loom, and now my Microsoft Outlook calendar is connected to my Loom. So any meetings that I give it access to, it's going to go in there and just record the meeting. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Microsoft Outlook calendar to your Loom, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.